plane stress and plane strain. Introduction. We have considered two-dimensional cases, that means in x and y. Mainly we consider sigma x, sigma y, tau xy, sigma epsilon x and epsilon y, and gamma xy. Okay, now I will show you. You just note down. This is very easy to understand. If you face any problem, just write in the comment. Now we come to this equation. From where this equation has come? In the last video you have seen the stresses in equilibrium and differential equation which I have proved. I will show you once again. This is the differential equation in x, y and z. Okay, this we have already proved. X, y, z are the body forces per unit volume. Okay, so this, now if you take the z direction, is a thickness is very small, so there won't be any z, so this will not be there, and body forces we are taking 0, so only these two equations will be there. Okay. So we have reached to these two equations. No z will be there. Okay, so this is the equation 1, body forces neglected. And you know this one, z, no z term should be there. Okay, so this is okay, only xy. So this is the equation number 2. Now we already know this one, the linear strain and longitudinal strain in x direction. This is known, and this is known. So from 3 we can do it in the place of, from 3 means this one, these sets, all sets. Del square, you just differentiate this one partially twice, so del square sigma x and del sigma y square, del y square, del square sigma x by del y square is equal to this one. Okay, from here, and this is 4, and similarly this is 5, and from gamma this is okay, this is the 6. 1 minute. Now inserting 4 5 into 6, we get this equation. Okay, that means just, and also, or this one, this is the number 7 equation is very important. This is the equation. Okay, comparison of the longitudinal stress with the shear stress. This is the relationship in partial derivative second order form. The equation 7 is the equation of compatibility. Okay, in this, note that this is the equation of compatibility. In terms of strengths. Okay, now we have the following equations that you know. Epsilon x is equal to 1 by E into sigma x minus mu sigma y minus mu sigma z is 0. This is not there because it is in xy. We are considering plane strain. Okay, and gamma xy, this relation is a modulus of rigidity is equal to shear stress by shear strain. So this is relation is there. This is the modulus of rigidity that you know, and G is replaced by E by 2 into 1 plus mu. So tau xy. Okay, this equation set is called, this is the 8 number set. These 3 equations, substituting equation set 8 in equation 7, we get what we get, this one. This is just a substitution, nothing to worry about. If you do algebraically, you will get it. Okay, now this is the equation number 9. Okay, from 1 we get this one, from 2 we get this one. Okay, now so this is just 10, equation number 10. So inserting the equation 10 into 9, we get what we get, this one. Okay, this is the Poisson ratio. So this is the equation we get 11, equation number 11. This is important equation, and this is, we have got some similarity. Only when it will be x, this will be y, this will be y, this will be x, in this way. This 11 number equation, if we introduce the operator, Laplacian operator, the square given by this one, this operator is this one actually. So this one will be equal to this one. So the left hand side of this one, this equation number 11 is nothing but from 11 we get this one. This is number 12. Thus we find that the compatibility equation reduces to Laplacian sigma x plus sigma y is equal to 0. Okay. Now the equation 12, this equation, the equation 12 is called the compatibility equation in terms of stresses sigma x and sigma y in two-dimensional cases. Okay. Now then find to case 2. In the case of plane strain where sigma z is equal to 0, the stress sigma z need not to be 0. Now you see, we will tell you sigma z has got some value here for the strain. Okay. Now this is okay, sigma x. This note down, and you just see the algebraical arrangement. So we have got this equation epsilon x is the strain, longitudinal strain in x direction. This is the Poisson ratio. This is the modulus of elasticity. This is equation number 13, and similarly sigma y will be okay. This is the equation number 14. If we substitute the above 13 and 14 and 15 equations in the compatibility equation, that in terms of strains we get, knowing gamma xy is equal to shear strain is equal to this 15 number equation. So we get this one. This one. Okay. Then come to this algebraical simplification don't worry, you will get it easily. Now it is come like this. Now since 1 minus mu not equal to 0, so the rest one will be Laplacian operators sigma x plus sigma y will be equal to 0. Now which is the same equation of this relation as in 12, as equation 12. So this equation we have reached it from the taking the strength side. Okay. Thank you.